have given you. Now, this is the past tense. Mohdesa, please read this.
Yes, sir. Read these sentences. Anurad, uh,
Anuradha,
Anuradha cried the bag, carried
cried.
the carried
Wash your face
the
properly and then read. Read it
Anuradha
again.
carried the bag. Rajesh packed the things
Cautiously.
cautiously. The highlighted verbs tell tell us about actions that happened in the past. The tenses that shows actions that have been completed are said to be in simple past tense.
Okay. Here, if you see the sentences are written, Anuradha carried the bag. Rajesh packed things cautiously. Now, can you see the highlighted red colored word, girls?
Yes.
Girls, can you see the highlighted red colored word?
Yes.
Yes.
Just make sure second time I will repeat two times. I will remove you and never add you in the English or the grammar lecture. I'm not here talking to the walls. Don't behave like idiots.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where did this word came from? If I say carry, it will become carried. When I say pack, it will become packed in the past tense. So here I want the formula of the simple past tense from wait, who is this? Dolia Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Dolia Aisha. Dolia Aisha. I have repeated your name three times.
Yes, sir.
Better just make sure I don't have to call your name three times. Within one time, if you don't answer, I will remove you. Okay?
Okay,
Now
sir.
give me the formula for the simple past tense. Give me the formula for the simple past tense I have given you in the previous lecture.
X plus V2 plus 0.
S plus V2 plus
Plus
0.
0.
0.
0.
Dolia Aisha, you will write the formula of the simple past tense 20 times. It is not 0, it is O. O for orange. So write this formula 20 times. Before 12 o'clock, you will send me this formula 20 times written in your book. This is O.
Okay, sir.
Mute your mic. Thank you. Okay. So the formula is S plus V2 plus O. This is subject, this is object, and this is V2. What is V2, Mohdesa? Second time I'm calling your name, Mohdesa Rajani.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, just see if they don't answer me within two times, just remove them. Don't wait to ask me. Just remove them. What is the meaning of V2 here in the formula?
Sir, I don't know.
Why you were not there in the previous lecture?
I was, but
And I have already given you one table after vacation. in which V1, V2, V3, all the three forms of the verb were there. What you were doing at that time? Sleeping? Zainab Asar.
Hello.
I'm calling second time Zainab Asar. What is the meaning of V2 in this formula?
V2 means verb. Two. We have find two verbs.
Two verbs. You also read this formula 10 times. This is verb second form. V2 means past form. Three forms of verb I taught you: base, past, and past participle. V1, V2, V3. V2 is the past form. So carry will become carried, pack will become packed, help will become helped, cry will become cried. So this is V2 form. You have to only use V2 form of the verb. That is very simple. So the highlighted verbs tells us about the action that happened in the past. Action that happened somewhere in the past. Anuradha carried the bag. When? It is not given, but sometime in the past it happened. Again, Rajesh packed the thing cautiously. When did he pack? Somewhere in the past he did. So this depicts the past tense. Talk now. When do we use the past tense? Talk about a complete task or at a definite time in the past. Vasco da Gama reached India in 1498. So reach will become reached. Talk about an indefinite time in the past. He played the guitar when he was a child. So play will become played. Are you getting my point? V2 means what? Yes or no? Or shall I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, future tense. Okay. Now, Rathod Ilma, read the heading.
Yes, sir. Fill in the blanks with appropriate. So what is this?
Forms.
For now, appropriate is right.
Okay. Appropriate.
Appropriate forms of the verbs in the brackets.
Means students see. Still, I have not taught you what is future, simple future tense. I have given you formula, yes, but I have not explained you. For now, we will only solve the sentences related to the simple present and simple past. Because in the boys class, I have solved exercise number 2 also. Only the girls are sleeping. I will go slow. Don't worry, because in exam full chapter is going to come. So now it is up to you whether you want to finish, whether you want to do it on your own, in your tuition, whatever you are thinking in your mind. But no one is going to explain with the formula and the trick I have. Just make it very clear in the mind because I am going to make the questions on my own, not from the textbook. Now whether you want to sleep, dance, it is up to you. So here in the brackets, verbs are already given. You have to make either simple present tense or simple past tense of the verb and fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, Meghani Amrin Fatima, if she is there, please read question A. She is not there? Okay, no problem.
She is there.
Then who is this Misam Kanani?
Yes, sir.
Misam Kanani,
Yes, sir.
read question A.
Yes. We were watching the game when it dashed to start to rain.
Now, to start is the option, is the verb. Now, we were watching the game. This sentence, first you have to understand that this sentence is in the past tense or the present tense. So, what is your name, Kanani?
Kanani Fatima.
Kanani Fatima, this sentence is in the present tense or past tense? Quickly think and answer. I don't have
Present,
even 2 minutes.
present tense.
No, wrong. Thank you. This sentence is in the past tense. Why? Because WERE, were, is always used with the past form only. We were watching. It is not written that we are watching. So we were watching the game when it dashed to rain. Option is to start. Now, if this is past, obviously verb will also be in the past tense. So we were watching the game when it started to rain. So am I right, or should there be any change in this verb?
Right.
Anyone can
Right.
suggest me. Okay. So started. Fine. Now, who wants to solve the next one? Come on, voluntarily. Who wants to solve?
Sir, I want to solve it.
What is your name?
Fatima Saujani.
Okay, Saujani Fatima, first read the question, and while you are reading the question, don't read the bracket.
Okay, sir. I dash to talk to you, understand, but you did
What? Understand. What is this,
yesterday.
beta?
Yesterday, but you did not pick up the phone.
And the option in the brackets, the verb is to
To
want.
want.
So first of all, Saujani Fatima, can I ask
Yes.
you one question?
Yes.
First, see, only the blanks. Oh God, whose noise is this?
Sir, my sister was there.
Tell her that we are studying. Go outside
Okay,
and
sir.
play. Now here the space is there, okay. But if you read the half sentence, to talk
Yes.
to you yesterday, but you did not pick up the phone. So this sentence is in the past tense or present tense?
Past tense.
Very good, because yesterday is there. Right? Yesterday means if today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this also should be in the past tense. So make it past tense. Come on. What will be the correct answer? Want will
Wanted.
become very
Wanted.
good. Exactly. Spelling, can you say?
WANTED.
Great stuff. I wanted to talk to you yesterday, but you did not pick up the phone. Very good, Saujani Fatima. I really appreciate. Okay, who wants to solve the next one?
Sir, can I? That is Rajani.
Yes, Mohdesa. First read the question, and like I said, don't read the brackets.
Okay, sir. It is raining, so we can't dash to the beach. We can't go to the beach.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But Mohdesa, why do you want to go on the beach? It is so much cold.
Sir, I don't want to go to the beach.
Just now you said, girls. Mohdesa said or not? Yes or no?
But, sir,
Yes.
in sentence is.
See?
Yes.
No, no. You only said that it is raining, so we cannot. And it is not raining, Mohdesa. You must be crying. Don't cry, please.
No, sir. I don't like to.
Okay, so you don't like to cry.
No.
Rabia always likes to cry only.
No, I don't like.
Remember exam?
Why every time you bring that topic?
See, girls, actually, you have seen bull, butter. So when bull starts running, it makes this kind of sound from the nose. Rabia made.
No.
Okay, so Modesa, tell me the reason. Why did you put go here?
Hello.
You said go.
Yes,
Yes, you said go is the answer. But why go is the answer? Can you give the short explanation? See, the
sir. Because this is
past form of
present,
go is went. Past form of go is went. So why did you not use went and why did you use go?
but sir, it is present tense. No.
Yes, because here is written. It is raining. It is not written that it was raining. Correct?
Yes,
Very good. Appreciate. Okay. Who is the next one to solve?
Sir, can I sign up?
Yes, Zainab sir. Read the question first without the brackets.
The sun dash in the east
Yes, then answer.
to rise in the bracket. So the answer rise, rise,
What beta?
rised.
No. But you tried very well. No, don't worry. Who wants to answer the same question? Anyone?
Sir, can I, Rabia?
Yes.
Rises.
Why rises?
Because it's a fact and it's a simple present tense. So E or ES will go with the verb.
Yes. So, students, I have already given you the formula for the simple present tense. Zainab sir, do you have the formula, beta?
Yes,
So, formula is subject plus verb plus S or ES plus object. Now, when in the simple present tense, subject is singular. At that time, you have to add S or ES with the verb. Rise is the verb and sun is singular. So rise will become rises. And Rabia, RICE, right?
No,
Then
RISES.
I thought whenever the Rabia's name is there, we have to put the eatable items here. Right.
No, no.
The sun rises in the east. Now, what is wrong in this sentence? Come on, everyone. What is wrong? The sun rises in the east. I have told you in your fifth standard class once. See, the year has gone and the brain is also washed
No,
with the shampoo.
no.
Rabia, all the others are taking bath. So I'm talking about them.
Sir, I am also taking that.
Okay. Mohtesa, can you tell me what is wrong in this sentence?
sir. I don't know.
Sir, there is nothing wrong.
See, there is one thing wrong which people don't recognize generally. In should not come, from should come. The sun rises from the east.
Yes.
When it is rise, how can you say in? In means inside something. I'm sitting in the classroom. Okay, then in is possible. But when you're standing out of the classroom, how can you say I'm standing near in the classroom? It is somewhat like that, logicless. Yeah, people are using and it is used nowadays, so go with the flow, kind of. But I generally use from. The sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Correct? Anyways, Rabia, what is the time exactly?
8:36.
Okay.
8:37.
Hmm. Change
Can I
this.
answer? Even
Who is this?
Ilma.
Yes, Irma, you can. You can. Wait, let me find the question for you. Yes, this one only.
Yes.
Sentence E.
Last year I dressed to Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi. Shift.
Shift. Mm, can I give you one hint?
Yes, sir.
You said shift. Tell me the spelling for that first of all.
S H I SHIFTED. Shift.
It is shifted. Your spelling is absolutely right. You will get full marks. But your pronunciation was wrong. It is shifted. But you are absolutely
Shifted.
right. Yes, correct. So, one more question to you, beta. Why did you say shifted?
Sir, because this
Hmm.
is simple tense.
Simple which tense, present or past?
Present.
No.
Past tense.
Obviously, then if not present, then it is past tense only, no? See,
Yes.
last year.
Yes.
Last year means
Past.
last
It
year,
was
no? Exactly, past. So shift will become shifted. So
yes.
last year I shifted to Delhi. So, beta, you are in Delhi. You did not say you are in Delhi.
No, sir. I am in Bhavnagar.
You are Bhavnagar. First you said,
No,
no, sir, I am Bhavnagar.
no, sir. I am not.
I was not knowing that you are Queen of Bhavnagar,
No, sir.
Lady Bhavnagar. Wow.
No.
Don't scold me, please. Okay. Here, one more question. See, future tense we will solve afterwards. Okay. Who did not answer me till now?
Sir, me, Meghan Yamin Fatemi.
Okay, read question G. Don't read the brackets. Just read the question G.
After reading book, I dash to watch film.
So, is it in the present tense or the past tense? What is
It's
the
after,
possibility?
so if
Hmm.
it is after, so it will be past tense.
Okay. So, after reading the book, I dash to watch the film. In the bracket, verb is written.
Yes,
So, if
it
it is
will
past
be
tense, hmm.
decided.
Exactly. After reading the books, I decided to watch the film. What is the spelling? Can you tell me, beta?
DECIDED.
Okay. So I decided to watch the film. Exactly. You are absolutely right. You win 1 crore rupees. Take it from the bank.
Thank you.
Take it from the Rabia's bank.
No, I even don't
Nah.
have that much rupees in
Nah.
my bank account.
What is nah?
I didn't say nah.
You speak like that only. Normally,
No,
I mean. Your tone is like that only.
no.
See? No. Cow is
Sir,
mooing.
like you are habituated to hear this. So now, whenever I say
Hmm?
no, you hear nah or nah.
This suits you, but anyways. Saujani Fatima,
Yes, sir.
can you read the last question?
Okay, sir. Tamjan dash his prayers every day.
Now here, recite. First of all, this is the past tense or present tense? Simple past or simple present? Which tense it is?
Present tense.
Very good. So recite will become
Reciting.
no, reciting will become continuous, beta. That tense I have not yet taught you. ing is continuous form, which we have to never use here in your FA3. So Tamjan is singular, right? The
Yes.
formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb. Verb is this plus s or es. Now, when Tamjan is singular, then you have to add s or es with the verb. So recite will become recites. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tamjan recites his prayers every day. Okay, one or two are for the future tense, I suppose. But you try to solve the remaining three
Okay.
questions. So with this, our exercise one is over. In the next lecture, perhaps I'll teach you what is future tense. It is very easy. I have given you formula also, which is very much clear, which makes very much clear.